Okay.
This is Tin Spin. This is a game all about rolling and spinning dice, because why just roll them when you
Yeah,
can spin them?
spin them.
All right, there's two main methods to spinning. You can do two-handed, thumb away, middle finger toward, even pressure.
Wow.
Now there's the one-handed, which is like snapping your fingers, but you put a die in between.
Yeah.
All right,
now
this
you
is
look
the
like
game
a magician.
Oh yeah, this is the game of Tin Spin. On your turn, you have a choice to make. Do you want to roll or spin? Now, if you roll a die and you get a 1, 2, or 3, let's try that again. There we go. 1, 2, or 3, you get a golden cube. Obviously easier to do on a D4 or a D6 than on a D20 or a D12. So your other choice is to spin.
Nice.
You count down, 3, 2, 1, spin. Everybody spins. If your die spins the longest, you get 2 golden cubes.
Whoa.
Now, win or lose, roll or spin, you're always going to end your turn by rolling the swap die. Tin means you swap your dice with one in the tin.
Uh-huh.
Right, everybody pass to the right. Left, everybody pass to the left.
Ah.
Pick any die you want, or nope, nothing happens.
So this keeps it from, like, if you get one die that just spins like crazy,
Yeah,
like
no.
nobody gets to
The
keep
dice
that
are
the
always
whole
moving
time.
around. Exactly.
Gotcha.
So you're swapping dice,
Very
you're rolling
clever.
dice, you're spinning dice. First to 5 golden cubes wins the game.
Very cool.
Now there's the mix it up card if you want. You can add, there's 4 rules on both sides.
So when you get past the basics game,
Exactly.
you get to like advanced level.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or if you want to cater to your group,
Now.
this can add or subtract more luck, skill, or strategy depending on your group.
Very cool.
Yep.
Well, that's fantastic. And you designed this all yourself.
I designed both these games. This was my Kickstarter in 2022. This was Kickstarted in 2023. They're both, this is made right here in the U.S. in Michigan. I can teach you about sweet deals if you like.
Very cool. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.